Hello. So most of the people you think that the computer is making no sound, so let's replace the CPU. So no, you can get rid of the sound by cleaning this part. First, just take off the panel of this computer and just get access to this fan. So just try moving it. If it moves at this speed, the fan is working completely fine. If it gets stuck in between, like this, you will have to clean these plates, and the dust. You can see the dust between here. You'll have to clean this dust. And secondly, one, two, three, and the fourth one. This is the power housing of the CPU. Taking out these four nuts can bring this box out, and you can clean the fan which is here, which can also be a major part of the sound making component. And one more, if you have a graphic card, let me show you. You can clean this fan as well. I'm not able to zoom this. Okay, so this is the graphic card. You can keep cleaning this fan also. As you can see, there's a lot of dust here. So once you've cleaned it, it will make no sound. I'll just plug in and show you. That will take all the dust off from there.